Hello and welcome back. This is a Beyond the Sprue special. I actually forgot to put this in last week's video. So actually, because it's a new company, I thought I'd do a sort of 5-minute review and deep dive into this company and their new tooling. In fact, their very first scale model, which is going to be the AV-8B Harrier II Plus. So I've got some good images of it. They've made a prototype and it's going to be a 1/48 scale and it's looking rather good. So OMA Model is a new model kit manufacturer based in China, and apparently they are connected to the aftermarket company Lambo Models, who make 3D cockpits. Their debut release is going to be this 1/48 scale model of the AV-8B Harrier II Plus, and designated as kit number D1001. Scheduled for release this year, and this model has garnered a lot of attention within the modelling community, with various online platforms discussing its development and anticipated features. As a newcomer manufacturer to the scale modelling industry, OMA Model aims to make a significant impact with this initial offering. So let's have a look and see what we're going to get for our money. So included in the actual kit are these 3D decals, and you can make your cockpit look extremely realistic. Now, if you're not happy about putting these on or you don't like them, they do actually include just regular decal versions, so you do not have to put these on. You have the option, but they are included in the kit, so you don't have to buy them as a separate aftermarket item. And next we have some photo etch. This too is included in the kit, so you do not have to buy any photo etch aftermarket parts either. Various parts of the kit, including the extreme tip of the nose, are made from metal parts, again included in the kit. And of course, if you've gone to so much trouble about including those extra parts, then of course you're going to have a painting mask set. And first decal options we're presented with are for VMA 214 Black Sheep, although I believe it's actually VMFA, standing for Marine Fighter Attack Squadron, known as the Black Sheep, and they received the AV-8B Harrier II in June 1989. They became the first Marine squadron to operate the aircraft. The next scheme is VMA 311, the Tomcats. They transitioned to the AV-8B Harrier II in 1988, which enhanced their close air support capabilities, and they became the first Marine squadron to employ it in Operation Desert Storm in January 1991. And the last scheme we have is VMA 214, the Black Sheep, and they received theirs in June 1989 after transitioning from the A4M Skyhawk, and they went to the AV-8B Harrier II, which was enhancing their close air support capabilities. So those are the three schemes, and these are the decal sheets, which are for the common decals to all the aircraft, including markings on armament and so on. And here are the actual decals for the aircraft. And in these shots we see some renderings of the armament and so on, including the AIM-9 Sidewinder, and looking to have some great detail on the panel lines and the rivets, and the clear parts look exceptional, really nice. And again, on this shot we can see some close-up images of the actual aircraft and the rivet detail and panel lines, and the attention to detail and the shape of the aircraft itself, really nice. And finally some renderings of the actual aircraft, and it is quite a good looking model in my view. And here it is head on. So in a minute I'll put you over to the video that you saw at the beginning, and they of course have their own video. I will link to it in the description. I'm not sponsored by them, I just thought I'd do a review, and you know, why not? So it's good to know what's coming up. And anyway, I hope you liked it. If you have, please drop me a like. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. I'll produce these videos on scale model updates very regularly. And my name's Jim. You're watching Beyond the Sprue, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.